Hello everybody, this is Vinny with GS Software, and today we're going to solve a very cool and interesting problem. This is something that was not able to be done until now in Excel, and this is the first tool of its kind. What it is, it's a dispatcher tool for somebody who has a list of clients and also a list of installers in this case. Really, they can be any type of service contractors. So what I need to do is find for every one of my clients, I need to find the closest installer or the closest serviceman or the closest contractor to that specific address so I can assign or dispatch those jobs to that specific installer. So the way that it works is extremely simple. Again, this tool is built in Excel. I have a list of my customers. You don't have to have a customer name, but most likely most people do have a customer name and obviously the customer address. And on the installer tab, I have a list of all my available installers or available contractors. So what I need to do is for every one of my clients, I want to find the closest dispatcher or the closest installer to that client so I can dispatch and assign that job. Once I've done that, it's extremely simple. All I got to do is click on the calculate button and the tool will do the rest. As you can see, the tool made those calculations for me. I know that for this Chicago address, for Jane, the closest installer is Timmy Cook. Unfortunately, he's about 128 miles away, a couple of hours away, but we're going to assign this to Timmy. Same thing with the rest of these clients. It will tell me what installer or what contractor is available or is the closest one to that client, and what their address is and how far they are and how long does it take for me to drive, in case that you need to calculate the driving time for for any type of billing and so forth. It's as simple as that. To download the tool, please click on the link in the description of the video. And if I also am available to make any changes, because I understand not every two businesses are alike and your data might be formatted different, please contact me either via email or my phone number. Both of those are placed in there, and I'd be more than happy to help you. Thank you very much, and until next time.